This is 42 Fayette Street, apartment 1. You can see there's the front entrance to the building and then the front entrance to the apartment right here. Look around. Here's the living room. You can see this. Plenty of space. It's a little tight with the coffee table, but it's not. It's still very, very doable. And a great fireplace, non-functional fireplace, but great look. These built-in shelves are fantastic. The playpen does not come with the place. Here's the kitchen. Love the kind of island and the new all the new fixtures and everything. Here's a closet right there. Yeah, and that's pretty much upstairs. There's a bathroom right here. So this a jacuzzi. That tub has like jacuzzi jets in it. And you can see the stairs. A little bit of a turn. A little bit narrow and steep, but not a big deal. We easily bring the baby up and down all the time. You get down the stairs. And here's the master bedroom. The bedrooms are huge. As you can see. Good closet. Another good closet right next to it. Right? They're good. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the master bedroom. Let's go over to the other bedroom. For us, this is the nursery. Of course, it could be anything. Great space here. Here's a nice huge closet. This is a great place right here. Okay. That's a baby toy that plays all the time. All right. There's a another nice closet here. All right, so that's it for the bedrooms. We come down the hallway. Nice closet, like storage closet under the stairs. And then a closet right here, also under the stairs. Nice big one. And then a linen closet here. You might be noticing a trend, lots of closet space. Got a little alcove here that's good for us, laundry basket and cat litter and stuff. And an entrance to the deck that we don't use. We use the other entrance that we'll get to in a moment. Here's the bathroom, the main bathroom. Here's this area, and then got double sinks here. Got a really nice shower with glass doors. No need to bring a shower curtain with you here. So there's that. Okay, let's go to the basement area. Okay, so here's the basement. It's only a couple steps down from the bathroom, but it works nicely. This door leads to a shared boiler room with the building next door, but it's locked and we never go through there. Once in a while, maintenance needs to go through there, but we're always home. It's totally secure and totally great. It's awesome extra storage space here. Can't really use it as a room, but it's perfect for storage. So, like I said before, a lot of storage space. Okay, and then finally, the last step is the deck. This is the door that we do use. You can see it's right from the back, coming right from the bathroom. And then you can see over here, there's this yard space that's technically shared with the building next door, but the neighbor doesn't use it, so we're able to take advantage of that. Plus the deck that is fully ours and comes with the apartment. So we have some furniture out here, some toy stuff, but like you can see, it's a really nice big deck. So that's it. That door right there doesn't really go to anywhere that you need to go, but yeah, it's a great deck. It's been a great place overall. Very happy with it. We'd stay if we weren't moving out of state. But I hope this helps. That's 42 Fayette Street, apartment 1. Thanks.